Hello everyone, I am Harshini from Shastra Deemed University. Now we are going to present our project Synthesia, a music player full stack web application. This project was developed as part of our Webstack Academy internship program under the guidance of our mentor Rohit sir. This internship was mainly focused on practical learning, where we didn't just study concepts but actually built real world applications using modern web technologies. Although we are presenting together in this video as a group, it is important to mention that each of us individually developed our own full stack project, and today I am presenting my individual project. Through this internship, we gained hands on experience in front end, back end, database integration, authentication, and deployment processes. Coming to introduction. The title of my project is Synthesia, a full stack music player web application. Synthesia is a web based platform that allows users to stream music online and manage their playlist easily. The application is designed to be simple, fast, and user friendly while still demonstrating all the important features of a real world music streaming system. This project was built completely using the MERN stack, which means both front end and back end are developed using JavaScript technologies. The main idea behind this project is to combine learning with implementation by building something practical and useful. Coming to problem statement. Today, there are many popular music streaming platforms available. However, most of them are overly complex, filled with too many features, heavy to load, difficult for beginners to understand. From a developer's perspective, it becomes difficult to learn how these systems actually work internally. So, the problem we identified was there is a need for simple, lightweight, and easy to understand music player that clearly demonstrates how full stack applications function. Therefore, Synthesia was developed to focus only on core features, keeping the system clean and efficient. Come to the project requirements. The project requirements were divided into functional, non functional, and technical requirements. These include coming to functional requirements: user registration and login, secure authentication, playing and controlling songs, creating playlist, fetching songs from database, integration between front-end and back-end through APIs. Non-functional requirements focus on system quality such as fast and smooth performance, responsive design for mobile and desktop, secure data handling, high performance and scalability, user-friendly interface. Coming to technical requirements, front-end React, Redux, Axios, backend Node.js, Express.js, database MongoDB, tools Git, JWT, and some deployment platforms. Now, coming to the full stack web development and MERN stack we used in our project, MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database used to store user data, songs, and playlists. It stores data in JSON-like format and is highly scalable and flexible. Second, Express.js, which is a backend framework used to create APIs and handle server-side requests. It simplifies routing and server management. Third, React.js, which is a front-end library used to build interactive user interfaces. It uses reusable components and virtual DOM to provide faster rendering. Finally, Node.js, which is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run on the server side. The biggest advantage of the MERN stack is that we use JavaScript everywhere, which makes faster development easier and more consistent.
Now we'll see our entire internship overview and goals. I'm Before beginning about internship overview and goals, I like to introduce myself. I'm G. Joshna Reddy. I'm from Shastra Deemed University. This internship was designed to give us real-world industry exposure. Instead of just learning theory, we worked on building complete applications from scratch. The main goal of the internship were to understand full stack development practically, to build real-time projects, connect front-end and back-end systems, to implement authentication and security. to learn debugging and deployment. By completing this internship, we improved both our technical skills and problem solving abilities. Now let's have a look at system architecture. This is a system follows a client server architecture. The user interacts with the front end built using React. When the user performs an action like playing a song or logging in, the front end sends request to the backend server. The backend, which is built with Node.js and Express.js, it processes that request and communicates with the MongoDB to fetch or store data. After processing, the server sends a response back to the front end. Audio files are then streamed to the user. This architecture ensures the better performance, easy scalability, and ensures a secure communications between the components. Now we'll see the application features of this music player website. This application include many useful features to enhance the user experience. Users can create accounts and log in securely. They can stream songs online with smooth playback. They can create and even manage the playlist. They can mark their own favorite songs. The interface is responsive and works on both mobile and on desktop. All communication between front end and back end is secure using APIs. These features make the application practical and similar to real world platforms.
So, coming to music player functionality, before that, introduce myself. I am Anuhya and I am from Sastra Deemed University. So, this music player includes all essential controls. So, let's see what are the controls we are having in this music player. There, we can play and pause songs, skip to next or previous tracks, adjust volume, view current song details, enable shuffle mode, enable loop mode. This audio playback is smooth and continuous without interruptions. So this provides a good listening experience for users. So when we goes to the playlist management, here we can see playlist management is an important feature of the application. User can create multiple playlists and organize their favorite songs. They can add or remove songs easily. It also we also implemented tag based filtering where user can filter songs by category or mood. This filtering happens dynamically without refreshing the page, which improves speed and user experience. This makes the application more interactive and efficient. So while when we are doing this application, uh, the challenges what we are faced are during the development. I faced several challenges like handling audio streaming smoothly was difficult at first. So, managing application state across multiple components required careful planning. Implementing secure JWT authentication took time to understand. Connecting front-end and back-end APIs sometimes cause debugging issues. However, solving these problems helped me improve my logical thinking and technical skills. So, these are all the challenges gave me a valuable real-world experience. So, from this, we gain knowledge in React, Node, Express, MongoDB, APIs, authentication, and deployment. This project helped me understand how real world applications are built from backend to frontend. So, now we will proceed with the live demo of our application project Synthesia. Let's go to the VS Code. So, in VS Code, this is the application we develop, the full music player. In this, we are having backend and the frontend. So now let's run the code. So first, let we are running the backend. So the server is running on the port 5000. The MongoDB is connected successfully. Now we will run the frontend. So when we run the front end, we will get the local host. We can click this and our application will run here. So this is our project Synthesia. We created during this in our internship. So
This is the sidebar, and this is the main area, and this is the foot. So in this sidebar, we can see the Synthesia, our website logo. This is the home. This is the search. As we are seeing the email address and password to be entered, since we are not logged in, this is the favorite, and these are all the songs we can see here, and this is the footer area.
So now coming to the player, here we have three options. For search and favorite, we need the email address and password because they are authenticated. So first, now we'll go to the login. So the website is logged in. Even if you refresh, it will stay logged in. So now if we go to the search bar, we can search it is coming to the login person because it is authenticated and we have logged in. So we can search the songs for suppose any word of your like. So these are the songs for such thing. You can play this and here the song name and the artist of that song are displayed. When the song started playing, we can pause or we can go to the next song. The song is playing. We can stop it and also we can go to the back song. And if you want to add to our favorites, we can even add to our favorites. We can check this Ice Storm. So Ice Storm is added to our favorites. And also, if we log out, suppose if we forget our password, even we have this forgot password option. We have to enter our registered mail ID. Send the reset link. The reset link will be sent. This one we can check in our mail trap. The website is loading, and here we have the sandboxes, my sandbox. Here we'll be receiving a message. So if you want to reset the password, we should click the URL. Here the web page is open for reset password. Here we can create and we can reset the password. So now uh, we'll log in. So now we'll go to the footer part. Okay, let's try changing the password. So login. So the reset link is sent, right? So there you can type the new password. You can check reset password. So password reset successfully. So redirecting to the web page. Now we can log in with our new password. So this one, and then we can log in. It is logged in. So the reset password is working successfully.
So now we'll come to the footer section. Like before you select any song, you can see that song is not selected here. Like if you click on any one song and if you play it,
It will take some time to load. It is taking time to load.
from the backend.
We can even skip the track.
See, now you can see, and you can even pause the song. You can forward to the next song. See, or the button has forwarded to the next song, third song. And if you want to go back, you can even click this button. Here is your liked song. The song.
So here user can play past songs, skip to next or previous tracks also, and he can also adjust the volume, view current song details, enable shuffle mode, and even he can enable the loop mode also.
But make sure that you cannot enable shuffle and loop mode at the time, and you can even adjust the sound speed. Like you can mute this song.
See the changes when we increasing the playback speed of the song.
See, you have observed that the speed has increased. Like now coming to edit profile section, this is our login name which we have given during login time. You can edit this profile at any time. Like you can even change the your profile photo, name and mail ID. Like suppose let's try changing the name. Let's write Navyashri. Like okay, now let's save the changes. See the name has changed to the Navyashri. You can even see the author name along with the gave which is showing in the footer section of the song.
So we can log out from the web page. This is all about the project, music player.
So, by this, we can conclude that this Synthesia is a complete full stack music player developed using the MERN stack during the Web Stack Academy internship. This project helped us to understand how real world applications are built from front end to back end. So, from this, we gained knowledge in React, Node, Express, MongoDB, APIs, authentication, and deployment. So, we are really grateful for improving our confidence and we will prepare for the industry level development. Thank you for listening our presentation. So, we are really excited to apply this full stack web development capabilities to future projects and continue growing as full stack developers. So by this we can conclude that this synthesia which made from concept to reality. Thank you.